Hi everyone, and welcome again, week 4, session 2. Hope you're feeling good. Yesterday was a little more intense with the different forms of pranayama that was offered to you. So today we're going to bring it back down. Go ahead and bring yourself to your hands and knees as we start this practice in child's pose. Again, just some short little movements for you. I want you to inhale, lift your palms so just your fingertips are down. Exhale, lower your elbows and your palms. Good. Do that again. You're going to inhale, lift your palms so just your fingertips are pressing down. Exhale, lower your palms. Good. On your next breath in, one more time, lift your forearms, lift your palms, hold it. So you have these nice little spider fingers, and then send your eyes forward. Good. Push down into those spider fingers. Keep lengthening. Maybe you're really sore through your back, side body. Maybe you did a nice back workout yesterday, or just the soreness of kind of life. Exhale, put your palms down. Bring your body forward. Let your pelvis dip down towards the earth, and then we're going to shimmy back so that we're laying down on our bellies. Good. Now we're going to extend our left arm out to 9 o'clock. So if 12 o'clock were right in front of me, 9 o'clock is directly to the left. We're going to roll onto our left shoulder. So you see how I start to roll here. You're on the outside of your left hip. You're going to lift up your right leg, bend the knee, plant the foot behind you. Some of you may not be able to do that. You might need to keep the knee down. And then put your head down. Good. You want to feel this opening in the front of the left chest. You want to feel like you're taking a moment here to stretch out the left pec, anterior deltoid. So if you've done a lot of shoulder work, chest presses, push-ups, this should feel pretty yummy. Or if you tend to be a runner or a cyclist and you round forward or you work on a computer, you'll feel this here too. Good. Now you can stay for longer, but we're going to go ahead and roll ourselves through center. Exhale, shimmy over to the left side of your mat. If you're on a mat, right arm out. And then again, I'm going to roll towards you. So I picked up my left foot, bent my knee, planted my foot, knee to sky. Right leg is long, and I'm just kind of feeling the opening through my chest. Good. Breathing in and out. One more breath. Notice which side's tighter. For me, this side's much tighter. I can feel it in the hip and the chest. And then bring it on back to center. Exhale, come into Sphinx. So we got one forearm and then the other down. And then we push down into those forearms to lift our chest. We bend our knees and then rock side to side. So you might feel a massage in your quads here. Good, left to right side, rock it out. Exhale, release. Good, let your heart fall, let your head fall. And then inhale, open up your heart, press into your palms, lift up, 3. Good, hold this, 2. Exhale, forearms come down, and then lower your head all the way down to your hands. Take a big inhale into the back of your body. Exhale, let that breath go. Again, big inhale in. Exhale, let the breath go. On your next breath, inhale, bring your eyes up. Exhale, ground your hands next to you. Press down for your cobra. So my hips are down, which makes it cobra. You've learned this through your sequencing for the past few days. Exhale, hands and knees, tabletop. Good. Draw 3 circles with your right knee. 1, 2, 3, and then reverse them. 1, 2, 3. Other side, draw your circles. 1, 2, 3. And then reverse. 1, 2, 3. Good. Tuck your toes. Lift your hips up for a nice little down dog, not for long. Pressing down into your palms, lifting up through your tail, gazing at your toes. Bend your knees just enough so that it feels good. And then see if you can walk on the balls of your feet all the way up to your hands. Exhale, arrive. And then fold forward. Good. Bend those knees enough, slowly come up to stand. Take your arms up into the air. You're going to grab opposite elbows, okay? Or forearms, depending on what you can grab. You're going to lean your head back into your hands. 3. Open up the heart. 2. And then exhale, release. Good. Other side. Inhale, reach up. Switch the cross of your forearms so that it's the opposite of opposite elbows. Lean back, open up. Good. And then exhale, release. Beautiful. From standing, take both arms all the way up. Good. Exhale, bring the body all the way down to the earth. Soften the low back here for me. Place your hands on your shins. Again, inhale, lift and lengthen the spine. Exhale, you're going to step into a high plank for me, just for a hot moment, not for long. And then lower all the way down to the belly. Good. Bring it back to Sphinx. One forearm and then the other. Exhale, melt the heart, let the head fall. Inhale, bring your chest up, lift your gaze. Good. Exhale your hands where your elbows are. One more time in Cobra here. Elbows in, heart up. And then back to Child's Pose where you started practice. Lift up through your palms and forearms. Exhale your forehead down. 3, 2. Make some fists, glide the hands back, and then a little pressure on your low back, outside of your hips. Nice. Slowly bring the body up. Hands to heart. Beautiful job, guys. Nice work on your wake up and joining me today, and I'll see you tomorrow.